Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. In our previous video of Gangtok series, we had shared our experience on our stay at Muscatel Hotel, Central Delamere. As the stay at Central Delamere was quite delightful for us, we had decided to explore yet another Muscatel property.
If you still haven't watched the previous video, do give it a watch. The link will be given in the description box.
Muscatel Hotel Yavachi is yet another property of the Muscatel Group, which is located at Gangtok's Church Road, just at a walking distance of 350 meters from the Mahatma Gandhi statue at MG Marg. The road to the hotel is quite inclined, so it might be difficult for the elderly people to climb up. Nevertheless, one can easily call for a cab service from the nearby taxi stand.
This review is completely based on our personal experience and not a paid review. We had booked a deluxe room in this property. The room was nice and well organized. The room service was also very good. The staffs were cordial and polite in nature. Though we found the Central Delamere's deluxe room more spacious than Yavachi's.
The bathroom was clean and compact. Coming to the most attractive space of the Muscatel property, that is their rooftop restaurant. One can get a spectacular view of the city as well as the majestic Kanchenjunga in the early morning or when the sky is clear. There is Wi-Fi facility in all of the Muscatel properties, so one can also work from here while enjoying a mesmerizing view from the rooftop. So, it can just be your perfect place for walk from the hills.
The booking for this hotel can be done from their own website, that is www.muscatelhotels.com. This hotel booking option is also available in other booking sites like Make My Trip, Goibibo, etc. The room rates for this hotel follows a dynamic pricing model. We paid around Rs 2,400 for the deluxe room, which excluded the complimentary breakfast.
The booking process has been shared by us for reference. The contact details and the necessary websites are mentioned below in the description box. For any queries, do contact the hotel or write to us in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.